闻来关心外国的消息。台湾时间2月，美国在九州发生过这个小学的校园枪击案，造成21个人死亡，和全美国人拢着惊。想不到才过1礼拜外尔，奥克拉荷马这个图尔沙一间病院嘛听到枪声，有一个男性的枪手举枪入去到医疗大楼开枪，造成院内有4人死亡。后来这个枪手呢自尽身亡。当时病院内有真侪医护人员，甲看这个民众，大家拢惊一条，怨叹讲即马连出门看一个病拢有够危险。
美国奥克拉荷马州的图尔沙病院区路口停真侪台警察车，还有真侪警察提枪执行勤务。当地时间1号下晡，信丰济国病院一栋建筑物有一个查甫人提步枪落入去。
Right now, we have 4 civilians that are dead. We have 1 shooter that is dead, and right now we believe that is self-inflicted.
警察接到报案了后，差不多4分钟后赶来到现场，发现枪手已经过身。医疗大楼内底除了门诊手术中心、临床保健中心，还有医师办公室。当地市议员怀疑嫌犯可能是因为私人恩怨来犯案。
From what I understand is that the shooter had an issue with a specific physician, and that the shooter could not find this physician, and that elicited his behavior.
警察经封锁现场，看建筑物内底感觉威胁。警察即马也未公布枪手的身份，判定伊是一个年岁差不多35到40岁非裔查甫人。伊有一支长枪、一支步枪，含一支底枪。
I was coming to the doctor, and I got my grandkids with me in this terrible scene. It's awful. It's sad. My daughter-in-law is from Buffalo, so now it's so close to home. It's not even safe if you come outside anymore.
地就小校枪杀的比较，民众艰苦的心情也未恢复，佮一摆传出枪声音，求诊的民众和病院内底员工，知影病院内底发生枪案，警察讲因会问现场看到凶手的人，紧调查厘清这个案情。
你好，我是宋彦明。想知道更多的新闻内容，请订阅华视新闻的 YouTube 频道，并且按赞、订阅、开启小铃铛。另外，可以上 LINE 贴图小铺来购买华视主播的官方贴图。